Well, yes, the rain chances are low, but that may not be the worst thing.
Now, Lauren St. Germain explains that there are some benefits to the brush fires.
This is what's left after wildfire scorched part of Signal Mountain on Monday. But see all this? It's not necessarily a bad thing. It's now day 6 of fighting fire on Signal Mountain. But Associate Professor Jennifer Boyd explains wildfires can be really good. A healthier ecosystem is being built as we speak.
They can shape the physical environment in lots of ways that are beneficial to organisms. Probably the most obvious thing is that by burning away biomass, and by biomass I mean trees, leaves, anything they're opening up a lot of light, right? And plants need light. It's what they need to photosynthesize.
Shannon Gann with the Tennessee Forestry Division calls that fuel, and that's why they do controlled burns.
In some areas we burn 80 acres or 100 acres a year. In some areas we burn 2,000 acres a year.
It's all about fuel reduction.
If fires are done, periodically, they're not going to have the opportunity usually to become catastrophic because you're not going to have those heavy fuel loads building up over time.
Wildfires will also open up a tree canopy.
You put a fire through, it'll increase the sunlight into the forest floor and you'll get more grasses that'll grow up.
While animals usually have the ability to get out, plants cannot.
Some plants have even adapted to thrive in it, and some even depend on it.
For example, chestnut oaks, which are very common in this area and on Signal Mountain.
They have a pretty thick bark, which helps to protect them. Lower down on the plant, their bark is even thicker because that's where the fire would be.
Boyd also says the acorns germinate deep in the soil, so the top of their roots are also deeper and more protected. So because the fire has already burned this brush and all of this dead stuff, it's actually making it safer for residents of Signal Mountain who are living down this hill. That's because the fire is less likely to rekindle. Reporting on Signal Mountain, Lauren St. Germain, News Channel 9.
And fires have the potential to increase the biodiversity of the region. That's because they may attract different species that may need more sun or grass to live.